Today, I'll walk you through how to connect Mailchimp to your website, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate Mailchimp with your site so you can effectively manage your email marketing campaigns. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp's website. This is where all the magic begins. Simply type in mailchimp.com and hit enter. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp updates its interface regularly. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. Here, look for the option labeled Website on the left-hand menu. Click on it and then select Connect your site. This step is crucial as it establishes the link between Mailchimp and your website. Next, click on the Continue button that appears on the screen. This action will take you to the next stage of the setup process. Now make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. If you've been following along, you should already be logged in. If not, take a moment to log in now. Once logged in, you will need to select the site you want to connect. If you have multiple sites, choose the one you want to link with Mailchimp. After selecting your site, you will see a prompt asking you to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Agree and Add. It may take a moment for the system to process this request, so be patient. Now, Mailchimp will prompt you to review and sync your settings. This is an important step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Click on Sync Now to finalize the connection. This step ensures that your website and Mailchimp are fully integrated. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Mailchimp to your website. This integration will allow you to manage your email lists and campaigns more effectively, helping you reach your audience with ease. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.